Oh, hi there. I was just watching the birds. Do you hear them? Sometimes you hear them all the time, right? But you never get the slightest glimpse. But that's what this show is all about. My name is Zion Lang, and this is Birds in Action. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Birds in Action. I'm sure you've heard somewhere or another, whether seen them or, oh look. Okay, let's do that again. Hello, again, and welcome to another episode of Birds in Action. I'm sure you've heard of or seen in a book the Mockingbirds, those gray birds, those multilingual, feisty, territorial birds. Anyway, that's what this episode is all about, and I hope you enjoy these Mockingbird clips I've taken over the summer. Thanks for watching. The Latin Treehouse. Hey, you ready for the Latin Treehouse? Well, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. The scientific name of a mockingbird is Mimus polyglottus, and that is Latin for the many-tongued mimic. Yes, these birds can copy the tongue of dozens of other birds. They can even copy the sound of an ambulance siren, a squeaky tire, or a barking dog. Mockingbirds are in the Mimidae family. Also in that family are thrashers, New World catbirds, and, as you know, mockingbirds. And they can all mimic the sounds of other bird species. Thanks for joining me in the Latin Treehouse. Now, let's go learn some bird facts. Hi there, and welcome to the Gazebo of Bird Facts. Although, we covered all the bird facts in the Latin Treehouse, didn't we? So, let's call it the Gazebo of Birding Hacks. How about that? Today, I have one birding hack for you. And that birding hack is filming through binoculars. You ready to see? Well, let's get into it. Have you ever been out bird watching and you've wanted to film it, but the bird is just too far? Well, this is the hack for you. Just grab your binoculars. It doesn't matter which type you have. Center the camera up in one of the lenses. It might take a little troubleshooting. Ah yes, now we see clearly. Do you see the flowers? I bet you don't. But let's try it in the binoculars. There they are, those pretty orange flowers. Thanks for joining me in the Gazebo of Birding Hacks. Now, let's go watch some birds with our new hack. Thanks for watching Birds in Action with Zion Lang. I hope you learned something, but that's all for Mockingbirds. Until next time. The only day not yesterday is tomorrow, unless you're living in the future. Anyway, good day, have a nice day, and keep on keeping on. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or requests, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching Birds in Action with Zion Lang.